everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do you want to speak English more naturally when you travel? On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than translating. Today's story is called Lost Bag. It's about missing luggage, a medicine, and a laptop inside, and how simple English can save the day. You'll learn phrases to report a lost bag, describe it clearly, and stay calm under pressure. Relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Landing and waiting. My name is Mina. I land in Madrid. I walk to baggage claim. The carousel starts. Bags roll past. People smile and leave. I wait and wait. My bag does not come. My chest feels tight.
Not here yet.
A few bags remain. None is mine. The carousel stops. Silence. I look around. Everyone is gone. I whisper, "Where's my bag?" I feel a little dizzy. I breathe in. I breathe out.
What's inside?
In that bag is my laptop, my work files, my camera, and my mother's medicine. I need that medicine tonight. I cannot wait. I must act now. I hold my passport. I stand up straight. I look for help.
The baggage desk.
I see a sign, lost and found, baggage services. I walk there quickly. A staff member is typing. I say, "Excuse me, my bag didn't arrive." She looks up kindly. "Let's make a report. May I see your passport and tag?" I hand them over. Hope returns a little.
Clear description.
She asks about my bag. I speak slowly. It's a black soft suitcase, medium size, a blue ribbon on the handle, a white sticker near the wheel, brand Travel Pro, name tag, Mina Lee. She writes everything down. Details matter.
The pair.
She opens a form. We'll file a PIR, Property Irregularity Report. I repeat to remember. Property Irregularity Report. She types fast. Her eyes are focused. I feel less alone.
The important items.
I lean closer. There is medicine inside. It's important. For my mother. She nods. We'll add a priority note. Do you have a prescription photo? Yes, on my phone. I show the image.
Last known location.
She checks the system. Your bag scanned in New York. It did not scan in Madrid. It may arrive on the next flight. Estimated 2045. I look at the clock. It's 18:10. 2 hours to wait. I can manage that.
Contact and delivery.
Where are you staying? Hotel Seoul, near the center. She types the address. We can deliver the bag. Late tonight or early morning. Please keep your phone on. I nod. I give my email. I give my number.
A safety plan.
I ask carefully. If it's late, what about the medicine? She thinks for a second. We have a pharmacy list. If needed, you can buy a small dose now. Keep the receipt. The airline will reimburse. I feel safer.
Proof and photos.
She prints the pier. This is your reference number. I take a photo of it. I also photograph the desk sign and the baggage tag. I save everything. Proof helps later. I feel prepared.
Calm and polite.
I say, thank you for your help. She smiles back. We'll call you. I step aside. I recheck my phone. The battery is at 28%. I find a charger. I sit. I wait.
A helpful call.
My phone rings. Unknown number. I answer. Hello. This is Madrid Baggage Services. We found a bag that matches. My heart jumps. Can you confirm? Blue ribbon, white sticker. Yes, that's mine. I stand up quickly.
One last check.
They ask, is there a laptop inside? Yes. Any unique item? A red notebook with a silver star. Copy that. We will deliver to Hotel Seoul. Estimate, 22:15. I breathe again.
The pharmacy stop.
I still need medicine. I use their list. I find a pharmacy. I buy a small dose. I keep the receipt. I return to the hotel. I text my mother. I'm okay. Don't worry. She sends a heart.
Delivery at the door.
At 22:12, the phone rings. We are at the lobby. I rush downstairs. I see a delivery cart. I see my bag. Black, soft, blue ribbon, white sticker. I almost cry.
Open and check.
I sign the form. I thank the courier. I roll the bag to my room. I open it slowly. The laptop is there. The camera is there. The medicine is there. I hold it close. Crisis over.
Lessons learned.
I sit on the bed. I write in my notes. File appear fast. Describe the bag clearly. Name tag helps. Keep phone on. Buy a small dose if needed. Keep every receipt. Simple steps. Strong results.
Phrases that helped.
I whisper and practice. My bag didn't arrive. Can we file a report? It's a black soft suitcase. Medium size. There's medicine inside. It's important. Could you update me by phone? Thank you for your help. Short sentences. Big difference.
Sleep at last.
I set an alarm. I put the medicine on the desk. I plug in my phone. I close my eyes. I feel grateful. I feel calm. Tomorrow will be better. Tonight, I will rest.
Great job. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. Lost bag reminds us, even when important things go missing, clear words, calm steps, and kind people can bring them back. File the report, describe clearly, keep proof, and ask for updates. Small English sentences protect big valuables. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, one page, one story, one step, your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.